What is a baby in Korean? The Korean term for a baby or a young person is agi. Again, it's agi. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is a, and the second syllable is ki. Pronounce it with me. Agi. Agi. How do you write agi in Hangul? First, we need to draw a nosang iyang followed by an a character. And that's it for the first syllable. For the second syllable, ki, we need to draw first a gye character followed by an e character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these two syllables to form the hangul of the word agi. And remember, agi is the Korean term for a baby. And with that, you already know what is baby in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos.